Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and I'm just gonna make a quick video, I promise I'll keep it short, to follow up about the Soar to Win contest that I announced a few weeks ago. Now, the company soar.earth, that's their website, is building a global super map. This map involves not only mapping technology and satellite imagery, but it also involves drone pictures of different areas. And that's where we come in, is to take those pictures from different cities, different countries, just all around the world. They're looking for images so that if someone was wanting to see what that image looked like, not just from satellite imagery, but actually from a drone's perspective, they could click on that spot and look at the image and potentially download it. Now, the best picture, in their opinion, based on nature's beauty from above, is going to win a DJI Spark, which will be sent out in mid-May. Now, there's not much time left. However, if you have already entered the contest, I want to make a few things clear. They have actually put out some guidance now about what their expectations are in terms of the types of pictures they're looking for. They didn't have that before, and they apologize that that wasn't available right out of the gate. But they're very specific about the types of pictures they're looking for. I've got a description, or I've got a link down in the description of this video that will take you to the PDF with all the rules you need to know. So if you've already submitted some pictures and they were rejected, or if you're wondering what kind of pictures they're looking for specifically from your drone, then download that PDF. It's very clear on what they're looking for. And again, it'll increase your odds of A, getting more pictures accepted, and B, allowing you to potentially win the DJI Spark. That's it. If you have questions, put them in the comments below. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the other video, and definitely download the guide so that you can see what they're expecting and have a better chance of winning. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this contest. I'm excited to see what all the submissions look like so that we can announce the winner in mid-May, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.